少次？
啥没听见？啊？叮咚是啥意思呀？
叮咚看到呀，提示呀，就是有的
啥是啊？是啥呀？我是 TM 呀，不是现场来的那个。不要填。
你得回呀。
啊，这是现场直播来的吗？
这不是现场直播来的，这是 TM， 你得回呀。
那我操！哎，这 TM 会给那个邮箱吗？我已经回完了，我是数。
然后这边把这个他一那个就直接找他要，只能要邮箱，不能要其他的哦。他其他的会警告我们的。
那没放到箱子上，盘根箱子上。
哎呀，又来一个！我去，我现在这么牛逼吗？我现在。
哦，是因为我这边已经开始推流了。
为啥全要 Product Catalog 呀？
因为他一点了之后，他第一个就会给你发，他系统自动发的。
妈呀，那我现在这么火吗？我得等回呀。
对，2点开始。
我们已经现
还有
在
7分钟。
2个都录吗？
啊，2个不一样的。
这 YouTube 的。
现在已经开始有了2条循环了。
呀，这么近，还没有开始了，这个循环了。
我们已经开始推流了。
对，我们他15分钟之后就可以开始推流。所以他一般发过来的第一个都是说，就是让你的。
哎，我用不用说我们有直播让他参观啊？
你说我们直播马上开始了，你可以看，你也可以看到。他就是从我们的直播上面看到的，所以才给你发了这个片子。
大哥，他的成品油在哪边放的？
成品油那里边有2桶。
邮箱呢？
他家里边有2桶，给他现场都有。
行了，反正到时候第一小兵不认输了，我还了。
哎呦我去，比较火呀，还没开始呢就2条巡盘了，10条巡盘指日可待，还5分钟。你们俩只要不吓尿，基本上没有问题。
我不会吓尿，我只会播错。
播错也没事，播错有救场的。
没事，客户也不是。
就是张扬拉过来就让他上，管他讲啥呢？
反正也不是特别错到哪里去。我俩离不开。
还有5分钟，马上开始了。哎，人家这装备，咱这啥都没有。
装备都在你这儿呢，
我有啥装备啊？
你为啥不带装备啊？
已经有2条巡盘了，还没开始呢就2条巡盘了，
是不是？
嗯，
有效果是吧？
有。马上一会儿开始了，我们目标不是10条巡盘。
这能看到有多少人围观吗？
现在看不出来，因为现在没有说，因为没开始，但是我们已经开始推流了，推流来了2条巡盘。
阿里巴巴，
阿里巴巴，
又出个劲儿。
你不是也有2条循环了？
我是有2条。
赶紧待会儿自表。我充电宝，你带，随时插上。
下次应该带一个挂身上。
哎，可以，你要有那种带小孩的小孩坐在。
没事儿，只要有粉丝，
好主意哦。
还是对。
要不然我就
先不用说，这是的，这是留了的。
效果可以啊，比上次强。
差不多有点他们是说也得
录完了就可以讲那个
我这个关键是操作
应该讲那个 service 对，然后下面
所以在
finish，然后的话今天也是拉回。我们最后结束之后是回办公室还是站着结束啊？
随意。
有点要长话，
那行，那就站着结束。就是说，你们直接给我们发信息，我们给他要是到时候时间不够了，就提醒我一下。我讲完订单走完了，时间不够了，你给我试一下，我们再把那个开头的优惠政策再来一张。时间等会儿，
打死点人的，打死点人。
我第一话题可能接慢点，你们慢点，你们的时间都在这儿了。
还有2分钟。
我们就是被强制撵上来的，自己连个流程还没背明白呢，就上来直播了。
都不知道坏的呢。拿着。
就光管他呢，我看见啥说啥了，对，没有逻辑。
是不是看见吧？
看过就看一眼。
这样题都正常说的是吧？
我就是
讲话不要那么快。
玩了一点点。
你就把我们当成哎，
你们不要跟着我们紧张。
我们肯定不跟着你们，我们在。
你们是我们的偶像，你知道吗？我们是崇拜的一件事。
这样我们紧张会更多。脱不了稿。
没事，你最后了那会儿你能多看。
讲到一块儿。
就我开始准备。
开了，这边再站一下，开了。还没开始呢，不用紧张。
我已经忘完了。
这电脑可以藏1个半小时，1个半小时之后咱就得回办公室了。
啊，行。你没电了，你跟他们说。
到时候。
你把那个优惠政策先抛好了，抛明白点，一人抛一遍。
没事，就跟平时讲话一样都行。
对，反正也没啥。C 快去，就站这儿，
往这边站一下。
哎，贾总，哎，我们还有1分钟。
往这边站一点，然后刚好一看，咱站这儿人进去。
直播的那都干。
还是有点设备舒服，这手感觉我自己都看到感觉都抖的不行。
比较觉得比较累一点。
要早做2天我都买回来1个了。我这边没人都。
还有4秒啦。开始了。开始了吗？Thanks for your time. Really appreciate your time for see our online live show today. And this is Abby. This is my partner. So hi, my friend. Hi, good afternoon. And today we will show all factories for the pyrolysis plant conversion. Hello, Snow.
Okay, my friends, let me tell you. Today our main content are Beston company, Beston advantages, and our running side of is pyrolysis plant. And what's more, we have lucky customer examples for you. Today we have prepared a big surprise. What's the surprise? that the order will be in 1 month. Okay, great. Number 1, the discount will be 2% of the all dinners that your order more than $150,000. Yeah. And number 2, if you order more than $100,000, we have the 1% of discount. And number 3, if you order less than $1,100, and we have $500 for your discount. Yes, please don't hesitate to leave the message and contact us. Then we will save your information in our customer system.
Thanks for Snow explain the discount details for us. This is really a big discount for certainly half year. Yes, please use this opportunity. And how to get this discount? Please click the following link and contact us. Send the messages. We will have the professional seller contact you. And please let's go inside.
Yeah, follow me.
Here are all accessories, equipment. If you can order today or within 1 week, we will give you 20% discount. And this is the coffee oil. And this item for the manifold. Here is graphic logo for make the reactor be stable. So please send the message to us. All these accessories will plus only 20% for you. And before the message, now let's begin the pyrolysis function. After sets of pyrolysis their capacity is 12 tons on 1 day. Here, one is 60 tons. The pyrolysis process actually 3 parts. The first part is the reaction system, and the second part is the retention system, and the third part is the graphic system. The whole warehouse will only put the reaction system inside for the condensing system and the graphic system are outside just for Today, all raw materials is all those lines. All is always line. And here, always shows negative. So here. We always calories and 400,000 calories. The burnout up to the reactor's capacity. If the capacity is small, the burner is very it will produce oil gas in the warehouse all in one side. The advantage is it is very quick storage and very easy to shipping and check when you use in the future. Especially when your materials the block, it will be block, so it is very great. With the non-condensable gas, gas will be purified, and also its function is avoid the backfire. Yeah, it's a safety device. Yeah, and the next process we call the cooling. I want to introduce the ash tanker. Okay, now let's introduce the system will produce oil gas and we can use as a fuel. And the other product is the carbon black. The carbon black generated from the system will into an auto filter and cooling discharge. Then it will be remain in the H tank. And in this after remain the big H tank, the carbon black will remain in 10 bags and the trucks come here and transport them out for usage. Now let me take details of the water cooling circulation for you. information. For the discount, I will speak again. The first for the accessory equipment, we have 20% off today. But for the whole plant, if you order over $150,000, we have 2% off. If you order over $100,000, we have 1% off. If you order over $500,000, we have 500 discount. But please note for the accessories equipment, you need to order within 1 week. And for the plants, whether for the pyrolysis plant motion or the distillation motion, you need to order within 1 month. It means you have 30 days considering. If we only keep this discount for 30 days, please note
it's a big discount for you, my friends. Please don't hesitate to link and contact us. Hello, Ivy. Another customer has the question. What's the color of the tire oil?
The color up to your raw materials, and also up to your raw materials quality. Some is yellow, some is black. We will do the test for you and take the video and pictures for you.
Yes, we have distillation.
Yeah, we have distillation. Here, the whole side is a distillation, and why you are laughing at me? No. And we have 2 models. The first model is 6 tons capacity 1 day, and the second is 10 tons capacity 1 day. The wind is very strong.
Okay, my friends, let me tell the water cooling water circulation for you. Look at here. We use this steam cooling water tower, and there are so many cooling water to cooling the oil and the rest. Now we have built the big tower. It has 4 size 80 cubic meters of water per hour, and to provide the high units of machines. Look here, let's take a closer look. The whole device of cooling water circulation is reactive, so our main water is very little, about cubic meters per. Look at the right device. It's our steam cooling tower, and it provides the all 5 oil plant pyrolysis machines. Yes. The rear of inside and the blue and carbon dioxide more, okay? Let's go to the warehouse inside
Here is a carbon black. Where all finished products have carbon black, oil, and steel, but it is also up to your raw materials. If your raw materials is the recent years, the finished products have carbon black, oil, and steel. But if your raw materials is plastic oil sludge, the finished products carbon black and oil. The carbon black, some customers sell them to the brick factories. Some customers add some pump and then mix the black and carbon black. They sell to the factories and also you can add the carbon black to the fuel tanks. But you can reduce gas and get the very mini carbon black. Then you can use the material. Now let's go to the combustion chamber part. We'll go this side. Over there is all combustion. You can keep the gas in the airtight. Yes, the last part is called the induction system. So,
Okay, now our final section is deduction system. Take a closer look at the big deduction tower. Device. We build this one deducting tower to treatment the hot generated from wind furnace and that's now with the combustion chamber. Yeah, the all hot smoke should reduce their temperature by the flow sensor and the deduction system have different kinds of filters, many flow sensors and water sprays inside. The exhaust will be released by exhaustion and spray by the hour, so it will be released without problem. Yeah, so don't worry about our emissions that we can provide that
evaluations. We have SGS support, test report, and CE and ISO certificates. And we also have sold many brands into the United Kingdom, Chile, Brazil, Korea, South Africa, and Iran, Middle East, and also China. So we can notice that all motion meet your meet standards. Please do not worry about these things. And we are not only have this certificates, also license service is free.
Except the best and the best machine. And after when the other one is our device, we have a professional after sales device. And if you get your proposal in our hand, we will make a full plan for you and it will turnkey proposal from A to Z. And we can advise you from the producing, installation, say shipping, and treat the labors to operate the equipment. And replacing your factories for checking machines. And what's more, our engineers have more than 10 years of experience. And they often fly to your countries, give you a slice of recheck and maintenance of our equipment. Can you tell us their government? Let's go.
Okay, before tell the discount, we want to tell us Albert from Philippines. Mr. Albert, yes, we have received the messages and we'll give you information of their customers. We will have sell the contact. You want to buy one piece of plant, we know that. Thank you so much. And Albert from Egypt, we also received your message. You want to buy one piece of plant motion, and today we only provide 5 pieces of pyrolysis plant motion. If other customers want to have one, please contact us earlier because we have no more pieces, only one piece, and now customers have ordered. And for today's discount, let me explain one more time. For the accessories equipment, we have 20% off for you if you can order today. And just finish your payment within 7 days is okay. For the plant motion, we have 5 pieces, and the discount is up to your order number. So please contact us earlier, and we will have professional seller contact you. And the next pattern is we have introduced the home pyrolysis plant motion for you, but we still have a little more time. Any comments? Okay, if no other questions, I guess all customers are also interested in the distillation motion. How about that our engineer Fred will introduce the distillation motion for us? Hello, Fred, please introduce the distillation motion for us. Thank you. Yes. It's your time.
Good afternoon, dear friends. I'm Fred Wang, and after this, I will be introducing to you the distillation machine. Please come with me. You can see a big picture from here. This is a unit of the 50 tons of distillation unit. what we are processing here is a waste engine oil. What we can produce are the models of 6 tons, 10 tons, and all the way to 50 tons, 200 tons of distillation machine system. And the materials can be the tire pyrolysis oil, plastic pyrolysis oil, engine waste oil, and other sorts of oils. And the technology is the distillation technology. From the below, we will have a distillation tower. And after heating the oil, from inside will evaporate and to the top. And after the process of distillation, the oil will be reserved into an oil tank and being directed to the washing. Please come with me for the detail. In this direction is the combustion chamber. From here, the burners will start to heat the oil. The oil we heat in here is for providing the heat for the system. It's not the raw material or the end product. It's only for providing heat. So after the oil is heated, the oil will circulate to the distillation tower to heat the raw material and circulate back to the combustion chamber. So with this circulation of hot oil, we heat the material and the material reaches to a temperature to evaporate. This big system is for distillation with the distillation tower and the condensing system. Once the oil is being distilled, we will condense it down and to be liquefied and reserved into the oil tank. And after the oil tank is direct to the working system. The distillation system usually works with the pyrolysis system. Usually, if our customer is processing tire or oil sludge, they will get the pyrolysis oil, which are normally the heavy oil with very dark color. And most of the cases, they want to purify it to make it very quantity to sell or for using for heavy machinery, shipment, or mining equipment, and so on. So they choose to distillation, and is to purify the oil quantity and to convert it from the heavy oil to the light oil. And after this, we call our oil the non-standard diesel. I have to repeat, it's non-standard diesel. We cannot convert completely to standard diesel because it's not from the fossil fuel or the raw oil itself is from the tire or oil sludge. So what we get is non-standard diesel.
Hello, Fredo. Have several customers still follow you. They are your friends.
Oh yeah. I heard Mr. Ahmed and Mr. Albert left messages before. Thank you very much. Thank you for your support.
Yes, thank you. And another question is, which kind of certificate all company have?
Certificate.
Yeah, certificate.
We have CE, ISO, and all kinds of manufacturing certificate.
Yeah.
And for the operation of the plant, the EIA, that you must apply locally from your own government.
Okay, great. Thank you. No other questions.
All right. If you have any questions regarding the pyrolysis or distillation, just leave a comment. Or if you like to keep the discount or promotion that we discussed before, that is 2% if you are buying more than $150,000, and it's 1% if you are buying more than $100,000, and so on. I don't remember what exactly. And also the spare parts order, we will keep it all for 80% for you if you just leave your name and tell us in the comments. This part is a washing system. Washing system is very sophisticated. It's complicated. So what we do here, we wash it with oil. We wash the oil with acid and alkaline. The acid is to remove the sulfur contents, and the alkaline is to neutralize it after the acid treatment. So in the end, the pH value will be in the middle of the oil. And after this, we will use the catalyst and the white clay wash to be coloring. So the oil will come out like yellow color, not very dark anymore. And for the small units, say 6 tons per day, 10 tons per day units, we no longer use this acid and alkaline. We directly use the catalyst and a white clay wash, so that it will be easier for you to handle the waste after. Because here, the acid waste and the alkaline waste, we have to send it to the asphalt plant to make it the asphalt for the pavement. And after that, we improved our technology. We no longer require the acid and alkaline anymore. So with the catalyst and the white clay or the decoloring sand, we can already make your oil in better quality without creating a lot of waste. So after the distillation system, we have the washing system, and after washing system, we have the filter system. We have to filter it at last with the plate filter and to remove all the impurities and the solid dusts. And in the end, the oil will be pure and in a good quantity. We will reserve the oil into the big oil tank in front of you. We have many sets of big oil tanks over there. Let's go forward. So if you are getting a small unit of distillation machine, you can also use it for waste engine oil. That's also a very good choice because it's economical, very profitable, lucrative. If you are treating the waste engine oil, you can get the fuel oil afterwards, so that the fuel oil can be sold to the plants or for the boiler plants for burning and so on. It's a very good recycling system.
Hello, everyone.
Yeah.
Excuse me, they have some questions. One customer said the certificate he needs is can help him
Apply the
the government
yeah
agreement.
yeah.
Yeah, his native government agreement. Can you explain this question?
Yeah. A lot of customers require us for helping to apply the EIA or local licenses for setting up the plant. We do provide a lot of supports regarding the technical certificates and quality certificates from the manufacturing end. And for the EIA application for different countries, they have different policies and requirements. And depending on the scenario, we will help you accordingly. So I think that's what I can tell you by now. And basically, we have all qualified internationally manufacturing system. So whatever your government is requiring, we can help you. No problem.
Thank you. And another question is, how can we communicate with you for get the quotations?
Yeah, that's simple. Leave a comment and give us your email address, and we will contact you after the show.
Yes, you can click the following link and send messages to us.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly. So if you, our guy will just reply the comments immediately after you send it. So for the pyrolysis, we showed is 5 sets of 12 tons of pyrolysis units, and many requires a bigger capacity. So that as you see, is on our side is 5 units lined up, and we can do 10, 20, no problem. So that the capacity can be built up.
Yes, one customer asked me, can you place in the middle quotation also for the oil distillation motion?
Yeah, no problem. Leave us a requirement. We need to know what specifically do you require for, and based on your project, we will make a proposal for you.
Oh, thanks for your messages. One customer have delivered his email.
客户发了邮箱。
Yeah, we will have professional sellers contact you.
Yes. Mr. Fredo is going to be busy, so somebody else will contact you.
客户留了邮箱。
All right, so here are the oil tanks that we have. This system, the distillation we just showed you, is to process the waste engine oil to engine oil, to base oil we call. And after that, the base oil will remade to engine oils to be sold. We can make a detour and see the raw materials on behind. Today was not my turn of the show. Now I'm the host. Miss Abby, do you want to speak in a little? You can take turns on this.
他不知道他要来观看。
Yeah. One friend says he wants to visit here. No problem. If you can manage to land in China, we will more than welcome to show you everything.
又丢了一个。
He says our guests really look good, and he expects can visit our factory.
Yeah. 1 week ago, we just had another show inside of our factory
Yeah.
for manufacturing, and this is a running
site.
site. Yeah, and continually we will have a lot of online shows so that you can get to know us better. Because of the pandemic and the coronavirus, the international traveling is restricted, so that we are using this new method to show you what we are capable of and what we are doing, so that you know us better and we can maybe work more smoothly in getting the orders and deliver the projects.
Yes, we are waiting for your visit.
Yeah, welcome. We have a lot of good places around Henan province. We have, because here is where the civilization starts, the most ancient China civilization starts, and the old city Luoyang and Kaifeng were the capital city of many dynasties. So if you come here, we can go visit many good places and have good food, good Chinese food. All right, let's go to the raw material. First place we reserve the oil sludge materials. There are different types of oil sludges too. For example, here we have the oil sludge from the chemical industry and fossil fuel industries. And here we have all the liquid oil sludges. We can take a closer look. It's a bit dirty here. Just lift up the camera and take a look on this. So these are the liquid oil sludges, and we also have the solid oil sludges reserved in tonnage bags. And so whatever form it is, we feed into our pyrolysis system without any problem.
Fredo, your friend you go to Philippines.
Oh yeah, Mr. Everett, isn't he? Yeah, I was in Philippines. I went to Manila and Boho Island. Very beautiful places.
Yes, and our engineers always revisiting all customers' factory for checking their machine.
Yeah, definitely. So for the after sales service and so on, previously sent engineers over to the customer's site, but in 2020, the pandemic has hit us hard, and we developed this whole online instruction services so that during the year of 2020 and the early 2021, we delivered more than 20 to 30 projects online with online instruction. And our engineers are doing Zoom meetings, Skype meetings, and 24 hours online instructions with drawing, with 3D photos and 3D instruction and so on. We even installed a 3D camera on the side of our customer to assist them. So in this new way, we no longer have to go to your place to do the service. We can already do it remotely. But thanks to the situation, now it's getting better and we already get vaccinated. Now we can actually go to places. So Mr. Albert, I'll be there in Philippines for you if have a project together. Okay, Miss Ivy, I think I'm done here.
Okay, thanks for Mr. Fredo. Show us the distillation motion. And today we have finished all the process. At first, we only want to introduce our pyrolysis plant motion for you, but we found that time is to still have some time. So we also invite Fred Wang introduce this distillation motion for you. Now we still have 5 to 10 minutes left. If you have any questions, you can left the messages and told us. How about let's see about our discount again, because this is all shows very important term. We want all customers to know that you can get the discount, use more better price, get the plant. It's really a good business. Firstly, if you buy the accessories equipment within 7 days, you can get 20% off. And if you can buy a plant machine like pyrolysis plant or distillation plant, you can get the 1% to 2% off. Maybe you think the 1-2% off, 2% off is not so many, but please think if your order is over $150,000, it's really can save a lot of money for you. Even we can send our engineer to your country. You can save the installation salary for all engineers. So please save this opportunity. And recently, 2 months or 3 months, I guess we only have one time online live show is this time, and also this discount only have one time. So this is really a good opportunity. And any comments? Any comments?
Hi, there, Ivy.
Yeah.
We have one customer has the question. Why only one page reactor per 1 day? Can you detail us
Please
the
let me.
reacting time?
Okay, I will read the question. Okay. Why 1 day only per batch? In simple words, I guess you want to one per day only one reactor, because not only it's also up to the equipment. If you equip with a continuous pyrolysis plant motion, you can get 2 batches 1 day. But if you use the batch plants motion, you only can get 1 time per day. Sorry, my expression is a little confused maybe. I mean, if you want to get more high efficiency work, you need to let us equip the continuous equipment for you, like the cooling discharger and the outer screw feeder, and also you need to do some pre-treatment with your raw materials. So it's up to your equipment, one batch per day or two batches per day. Yeah.
And dear Ivy, can you explain the more details about every section time, such as feeding, how many hours, and reacting, how many hours?
Okay. Normally the feeding is about 1 hour, and the reacting is about 7 hours, and the cooling time is about 7 hours. This is for the batch equipment. But if you use continuous equipment, the feeding is about 1 hour, reacting 7 hours, but discharger and the cooling time is only 2 hours. Any others questions?
Yeah, we have one customer have a question.
Yeah.
What's the quality of your feed slash when turned?
Oh, sorry. Okay. Now you mean the quantity of all raw materials. It's up to the reactor's capacity you ordered. For 3-ton reactors, you need 3-ton raw materials one time. 6-ton, 12-ton, 10-ton, and 16-ton. It's up to your reactor size. Thank you. Any others question?
And today, just now, we have shown the reactor is how many size?
All today's reactor is 12 tons per day. So we have plants in the warehouse. Per day is 60 tons totally. And all today's raw materials is oil sludge. In fact, this is a big running plant. You can see here totally have 16 big tanks for store the oil. What's time now, Snow Cao?
Now it's
We can contact us, and we will have the professional seller contact you, give you the most good price. Okay, Snow Cao, please speak again with our customers about the discount. Thank you.
Yes, and we have detailed the discount for our friends, and we have today prepared the accessories spare on the whole pyrolysis plans. We keep the 500 discount, and if you order more than 150,000 more than this number, yes, we have 2% of the discount. So don't resist this chance, and leave the message to us. We will keep your information in our customers system. And thanks for your supporting.
Yes, and for the oil sludge with the tears and plastic is really bad for our environment. I think every country have most of these damages. If you are interested in this business, please consider that this is not only can bring the profit for you, but also can protect our nature. So please don't hesitate. Please contact us now. We will give you the most good advice. We have the professional engineers department help you installation, the after service, and we also will tell you all machines finished products profit and that's all. We will finish today's online live show. Thank you.
Thanks a lot.
Yeah, let's see each other next time. We will show you all Beston's factories. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
我觉得这就是反传。